magic. With all due respect, he approached it. Then off of the roach clippers, I respectfully declined to smoke it. Broke it, the ice, his demeanor was nice. He tried to freak it to my mental.
Hey, yo, it wasn't accidental.
Yo, his talk was slick. My resume is kinda thick.
So let's blow this scene, girl, and check this flick.
And show me why paid in live ain't your average click.
Recognize paid in live, about to lock you.
All my time, it could be spent with you. Okay. So what you gonna do?
What?
Make sure your king.
Yeah.
See, all my time, it could be spent with you. So what you gonna do? Make sure your king.
What? You said what? The president did what? Oh man, that's all good, baby. You got rid of the player haters too? Oh man, we need to declare this a national holiday. We gonna call this Players Holiday. Aunt Beezy, what's up, man?
Rise and shine, make you wanna say, dear God, let me thank you for another day. Been living life on the edge and I'm trying to break it. Tired of ducking the feds, but it's a struggle to make it. So this is your day, homie, now it's time to shine. Made for players only, chicken, we can wine and dine. Stress free from the drama, better get your ticket. Then come on, cause the squares can't lie to kick it.
It feels good not to grind no more. Don't get it twisted, cause I still hustle. Maintaining is trying to reach my goal. Living life truly successful, so that my little soldier never have to sell no dough. All the cutties from the pins coming home again. And we ain't trying to kill each other, cause brother, we all in. Beautiful black women, give them much respect. And ain't no funk between the east and the west, it's just a player holiday.
Day's the day the players play. So you better be on your way. Now it's time to celebrate. Hurry up and don't delay, cause you know it's gonna be a lovely day, 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 lovely day.
January 1, the year 2000. We getting all the money and we ain't through clowning. You can tell everybody that stays around your way. Today is the official Players Holiday Show, dog. I'm loving every minute of it, cause pimpin's been around since the beginning of it. We barbecuing chicken, that's what we doing. Got some breezes and we kicking the cap. What you doing?
I'm just sitting here timing like a Rolex watch. I figure by now y'all realize that hip hop and rap won't stop. Putting it together like a racing track. Where's all my Latino, Filipino, and SA partners at? I know you feel me when I say that life's a struggle. With God first, y'all know we all can't help but bubble. So keep your head up and know that things are changing for the better. Talking about the youth, little kids, forget about you. Never.
Day's the day the players play. So you better be on your way. Now it's time to celebrate. Hurry up and don't delay, cause you know it's gonna.
Don't stop, get it. I don't wanna be playing no more. Still got what you're looking for. I don't wanna be playing no more. Still down below.
A hater, elevator to the top high. See you later, I'm gone. Penthouse suite, penthouse freaks, in-house beach, French couch seats, 10,000 east, rent out lease, with an option to buy, copping a 5 of Benz, and when I'm not, up in the sky, off in the lie, with my twincito, up in the Benzito, with my Kiko from Queens, the game Benito, we go back like PAs and wear PJs, now we reach the P gauge, running trains for 3 days, who wanna ride, it won't cost you $1, with a sore for harder, of course you're still gonna holler, mama, I'm thick. I rip up through your hooters, I'm sick. You couldn't measure my with 6 rulers. Hold up, chula. I'm all about getting loot, but I knock that bull if you out to get cool.
I don't wanna be playing no more.
I'm not a player, I just crush a lot.
Punisher, still got what you're looking for.
Uptown, baby, uptown.
I don't
When this began, we was the perfect match, perhaps. We had some problems, but we working at it. And now the arguments are getting loud. I wanna say, but I can't help from walking out. Let's throw it away. Just take my hand and understand. If you could see, I never planned to be a man. It just wasn't me. But now I'm searching for commitment and other arms. I wanna shelter you from harm. Don't be alarmed. Your attitude was the cause. You got me stressing. Soon as I open up the door with your jealous questions. Like, where can I be? You're killing me with your jealousy. Now my ambitions to be free, I can't breathe. Cause soon as I leave, it's like a trap. I hear you calling me to come back. I'm a sucker for love. And guess who's the daddy? Don't wanna fall for it, but in this case, what could I do? So now I'm back to making promises to you, trying to keep it true. What if I'm wrong? A trick to keep me holding on, trying to be strong in the process, keep it going. About to lose my composure, I'm getting close to packing up and leaving notes and getting ghosts. Tell me who knows a peaceful place where I can go to clear my head. I'm feeling low, losing control. My heart is saying leave, but what a tangle where we weave when we conspire to conceive. And now you're getting calls at the house, guess you're cheating. That's all I need to hear, cause I'm leaving. I'm out the door, never no more when you see me. This is the end, cause now I know you've been cheating. I'm a sucker for love.
To my DJ Steve-O.
Get up out your bed, man. DJ Steve-O on the radio, man. Come on, man.
Old School Selector.
Harassing. Imagine going to court with no trial. Lifestyle cruising blue Bahama waters. No welfare supporters. More conscious of the way we raise our daughters. Days are shorter, nights are colder. Feeling like life is over. These snakes strike like a cobra. The world's hot, my son got knocked. Evidently, it's elementary. They want us all gone eventually. Trooping out of state for a plate. Knowledge, if coke was cooked without the garbage, we'd all have the top dollars. Imagine everybody flashing. Fashion, designer clothes. Lacing your click up with diamond rolls. Your people's holding dough, no parole, no rubbers. Going raw, imagine law with no undercovers. Just some thoughts for the mind. I take a glimpse into time, watch the blimp read the world is mine.
If I rule the world,
imagine that.
I free all my sons. I love them, baby. Black diamonds and pearls.
Could it be, if you could be mine, we both shine.
If I rule the world,
still living for today. in these last days until where to be. Paradise life relaxing. Black, Latino, and Anglo-Saxon. Amani exchange the range. Cash, lost tribe of Shabazz. Free at last. Brand new whips to crash. Then we laugh in the illa path. The villa houses for the crew. How we do. Trees for breakfast. Dime sexes have been stretches. So many years of depression make me vision the better living. Type of place to raise kids in. Opening eyes to the lies. History's told foul. But I'm as wise as the old owl. Plus the gold child. Seeing things like I was controlling. Click rolling. Tricking 6 digits on kicks and still holding. Trips to Paris, I civilized every savage. Give me one shot, I turn tripe life to lavish. Political prisoner, set free, stress free. No work release, purple M3s and jet skis. Feel the wind breeze in West Indies. I lick Coretta Scott King, mayor of the cities, and reverse fiends to Willies. It sound foul, but every girl I meet to go downtown. I'd open every cell in Attica, send them to Africa. Imagine that.
See you doing good. I don't wanna get rich, leave you in the hood. Girl, in my eyes, you the baddest. The reason why I love you, you don't like me cause my status. I don't wanna see you with a carriage, living average. I wanna do my thing so we be established. And I don't want you rocking them fabrics. Girl, I wanna give you carriage till you feel you a rabbit. Anything in your path, once you can have. Walk through the mall, if you like it, you could grab. Total it all up and put it on my tab. And then tell your friends all the fun you had.
Tell me what you want from me. Take a look at what you see. Let me know if it's right here. Something you can have for you. Tell me what you want from me. Take a look at what you see. Let me know if it's right here. Something you can have for you.
I got a feeling a nigga could make a killing if he packed up his bags and moved to New Zealand, New Guinea, New York. You need something new besides a Newport's prepared to be dead. The street said, yo, this shit's off like wheat bread. Your own block, you make shit they won't knock. I'm a worldwide hustler. Fourth be at us cause of OG status. Fans throw weed at us. And I spread love just the same. Let this Buddha bless your brain, sexy thing. Yeah, it's time to take this act on the road. Come back, get back on the...
No, I don't doubt you. I'd be there for you. There for you. I'll be right beside you. Just make you move. You know I don't doubt you. I'd be there for you. Just make you move. I'll be right beside you. Just make you move.
I'm leaving. Don't nobody worry. I'll be doing my damn thing. Quick, fast, in a hurry. Dream weaving. Keeping me and my team even. Shifting time zones. Trying to see the 7 seas and everything in between. We heavy and we heavenly, so we love wherever we see. From the banks of the Mississippi to the shores of Tripoli, we do more tours and wage wars. I'm swimming in women and living without limit. My penmanship got me on a trip spinning around the world. Bull this aside, we on a worldwide ride.
No, I don't doubt you. I'd be there for you. There for you. I'll be right beside you. Just make you move. You know I don't doubt you. I'd be there for you. Just make you move. I'll be right beside you. Just make you move.
We was in the back of the joint cooling out, and I saw this girl. Asked her if she like it like that. Nod her head yes, therefore I didn't stress. Let my beat keep knocking, cause we rockin' like that. Bust your ass slow as if you didn't know. Put my mic inside your brain, don't diss, home this. It's the rhyme, it's the beat, the vibe all together that makes the competitors sound like this. Really do I care, yo, I let down my hair when the music's up loud, man, I Jones real bad. Lyric overload in club, in the boat, in Jeep, in America, tribe going mad. Females ride while my niggas just ride with the songs we creating and musically relating. Sex niggas talk about bodies in short. Meanwhile, they boot shaking on some punk shit faking. Wait, I can't front stick, man. There's a few who really come to do what they say they gon' do. Back at the bench, there's no car branch. Everybody gon' move when we say move. So,
Do you like it?